Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Today we are discussing 10th standard mathematics assignment number 4 on the topic of applications of trigonometry. Now the first question. Here a person observes 2 points on a wall at an angle of elevation theta 1 and theta 2, and if theta 1 is larger than theta 2, see here he is observing with an angle of elevation. So let it be this is the wall and he is observing 2 points on the wall, but we don't know, but theta 1 is larger than theta 2, so theta 1 is larger than theta 2. This is a theta 2 and this is a theta 1. So if angle of elevation is larger than theta 2, then so this is the first point and this is second point. Now the height is h2 and this height is h2 and this height is h1. So here if you observe that according to the options, here height h1 is larger than h2. According to the options, h1 is larger than h2, right? So option B. Now coming to the next problem. A person observes 2 points on a wall at an angle of depression. He is saying that now at an angle of depression, right? What is depression? If the line of sight is below the horizontal line, where the angle measured between line of sight and horizontal line is called angle of depression, right? So depression, here also theta 1 is greater than theta 2. Let it be there is a wall is there. He is observing 2 points at a certain point. This is a certain point. So he is observing 2 points, that is angle of depression, that is a theta 1. Theta 1. This is the first point, and one more point, that is a theta 2. Right? This is point 2. So from the ground level, this is height 1, and this is height 2. So what you observe here, if the inner angle of depression theta 1 is greater than theta 2, then heights are h2 is greater than h1 from the ground level. So now coming to the next problem. So the top of a clock tower is observed at an angle of elevation alpha degrees. So at an angle of elevation is alpha degrees, there will be a clock is there on the tower. So foot of the tower is at the distance of d meters from the observer. So let it be, let us I am taking this is the ground level and AB is the height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower and O point is observer, and he is observing at an angle of elevation, that is alpha. This is the diagram what he is given. So from this AB is the height of tower, which is equals to AB, and distance between the observer and foot of the tower is distance between observer and foot of the tower, which is equals to, so from the diagram OD is equals to a d meters, right? And angle of elevation, how much? Angle of elevation, that is angle AOB is equals to alpha degrees. AOB is equals to alpha degree. This is the regarding information about diagram. Now coming to the next problem. So a contractor wants to set up a slide. He wants to set up a slide on a park, right? Let it be a slide which is fixed on the ground, and he's saying that the height of 2 meters, the slide height, which is the top of the slider, which is 2 meters. Let it be AB is the height, and which is makes an angle with 30 degrees with the ground. So what should be the length of this slide? So here a C and L is the length of this slide. Let it be solution. Let length of slide, that is AC is equals to L meters. Height from the, so height how much is given? Height AB is equals to 2 meters. Then from the figure, so here what is the relation between, this is a right angle triangle, right? So this is opposite and hypotenuse, right? What is the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse? So opposite by hypotenuse is sine theta. So sine 30 degrees is equals to opposite, that is AB by AC. So sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 is equals to AB is 2 by AC is L. So therefore L is equals to 2 into 2, which is 4 meters. Though, so length of slide is equals to length of slide L is equals to 4 meters. Length of slide is 4 meters. Coming to the next problem. So length of a shadow of a 15 meters height pole is 5√3 meters, right? So there is a pole is there. The pole of the height is, this is the ground, this is ground, AB is the height of the pole, right? AB is the height of the pole, and height of the pole is given, that is 15 meters height of the pole, and it casts a shadow. It casts a shadow of 5√3 meters. It means this is the 5√3 C point. Length of the shadow is 5√3 meters at 7 o'clock on the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun ray? So for example, the sun is here. The sun is here, this is the ray, right? So he is asking angle of elevation. I am taken as angle of elevation is theta. Angle of elevation is theta. From the figure, height of the pole is that is AB is equals to 15 meters, and length of shadow which is equals to, that is CB or BC is equals to 5√3 meters, right? So what is the relation between these two? It is a right angle triangle. Now it is opposite side and adjacent side. So opposite by adjacent side is tan theta. So tan ratio. So we are taking tan ratio. Tan theta is equals to opposite, that is AB by BC. So tan theta is equals to AB is 15 meters by BC is 5 root 3, which is equals to tan theta is equals to 5 1s are 5 3s are, so 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3. So tan theta is equals to 3 by root 3 into, I am rationalizing the denominator. That is root 3 by root 3. So which is equals to 3 root 3 by 3. 3 get cancelled, root 3. So we know that here is given tan theta is equals to root 3. So which is equals to tan theta, which is equals to root 3 value, we can say that tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. Here if you compare these two, in place of tan, tan is there, and theta in place of theta, what is there? Theta is equals to 60 degrees. So here the angle of elevation of the sun ray is 60 degrees. I hope you all understand. Thank you.